Okay, Isaac, what are you going to do today?
Slime.
You're going to make slime.
Yeah.
Okay, let Daddy help you open it, okay? So what do you need to make the slime?
Hey, Daddy, open it.
We need to open it.
I can't.
Okay, now put it all in there.
Come out. Come out. Come out.
No te caso tapa.
Open it.
Does it smell like something, Isaac? What does it smell like?
Butter.
Butter. I think it smells like blueberry.
Yay, stuck it. Wait.
You're going to put all of it.
Get out.
Get out, slime.
Whoa. No. For water.
Now we got to put the activator.
Yeah.
That's going to make the glue into slime.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yep. Here we go.
There you go. Okay.
Okay.
Now grab your mixing tool over here
And make it.
and mix it up slowly. What is it doing?
It makes it slime.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's turned to slime.
It's turning into slime?
Yeah.
Wow.
Turning.
You got to mix it until it's all slime.
Yeah.
What color is your slime, Isaac?
That's blue.
That's your favorite color.
Whoa.
Why is blue your favorite color? Because it's like Catboy from PJ Masks.
And then we got this.
You got to mix it until it's all slime.
Good job. Perfect. You got this.
Let me see. Whoa, that looks kind of clumpy. You want me to help you?
Okay, it's done.
Let's see. Let Mommy help you mix it a little
No,
bit.
let me mix it.
Oh, look at that.
No, let me.
It's turning. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Just keep on mixing. Slowly. Okay, not too fast. So, we got this slime. And it comes with slime glue and the activator. So you just put them both together and it makes a slime.
What? Wait, I need some more. Let's get some more.
Let's see how your slime's coming along. Whoa.
Whoa, wait. I need to mix it. I need to mix it. I need to mix it. I need to mix it.
Okay, you mix it. Slowly. You don't want to get none of that activator in your eyes or your mouth. Let's see the warnings. So there's a warning. It's a choking hazard. Not for children under 3. So Isaac's already 3 and 4 months. So that's
Look
good.
at that! It's done, Mama. Look.
Are you sure it's done?
Look, something out. It's perfect time, Mom.
Oh, there's another warning, Isaac. It's eye and skin irritant. So you got to avoid contacts with your eyes and your skin directly. You could do it, but with adult supervision. Next time we'll put gloves.
Mama, I need to
We need to get all that water mixed in with the slime.
No.
Okay.
We need some water, mix some too.
We need that water to get mixed in with the slime.
No, we got mix it.
Yeah, okay. Mix it well.
No, it's...
Okay. Let's keep on mixing.
No, can we try to mix it?